Subject pronouns. Today I'm going to show you what we mean by subject pronouns. Let's first pronounce these words. First person. Second person. Third person. Singular. Plural. First person singular. I am. I am Sam. I am. I am Tom. Second person singular. You are. You are Ruth. You are Shu. Third person singular. She is. She is Sam. He is. He is Tom. It is. It is Rex. First person plural. We are. We are Max and Lee. Second person plural. You are. You are Max and Lee. Third person plural. They are. They are Max and Lee. Download your free cheat sheet. A link for a free PDF download is available in the description.